Here are the tools required to install this MBRP catback system. We have the dual exhaust, so we'll start by unbolting the rear hangers on either side. Take the brackets out the back and lower the hanger. Then, 2 more hangers can be removed behind the axle. Repeat this process on the other side. Above the axle is another hanger. In front of the muffler is the last hanger that can be unbolted. Now you can lower the exhaust down on a jack. This allows more room to loosen the clamps above the axle tube. Once loose, wiggle the exhaust tube and remove it from the vehicle. Go ahead and repeat this process on the passenger side. At the front, we can remove the 2 13mm bolts holding the exhaust to the front pipes. Set those bolts aside as we will reuse them later on. Now you should be able to bring the exhaust back to lower it down and remove it completely from the vehicle. Based on your truck's length, you may have to cut the exhaust pipe to fit. If you have a single cab with a 6.5 foot bed, cut the front pipe to a length of 5 3/4 inches. If you have a single cab with an 8 foot bed, cut the front pipe to a length of 24.5 inches. If you have an extended cab with a 6.5 foot bed or a super crew cab with a 5.5 foot bed, use the front pipe as is with no cuts. If you have a super crew cab with a 6.5 foot bed, use the front pipe as is and cut the extension pipe to a length of 14 3/4 inches. If you have an extended cab with an 8 foot bed, use both pipes as is with no cutting. Go ahead and put the included washers on the factory bolts and install them in the flanges as shown here. Now place the flange on the front pipe. Bring it up into place on the factory exhaust and get the bolts threaded in by hand. You can tighten the bolts down here completely. Now the larger clamp can go on. If you need the extension pipe, that will go on next. Then the muffler can be installed vertically. The smaller clamps will go on the other end of the muffler. The front pipe with the hangers will go on the bottom. Transfer the factory hanger from this location onto the new exhaust. Secure it in place with the factory bolts. Now tighten those bolts down. On the other side of the frame, place the included J-clips in the squares shown here. Then the included hanger bracket can be installed with the bolts and the washers. Now go ahead and tighten everything down. The included rubber isolator can go on both the bracket and the exhaust hanger. The rear pipe can go in the top of the muffler. You want to make sure it is fully seated. The last J-clip will go on the bracket on the rear pipe. Then, get the bolt in through the bracket on the front pipe. If you have stock suspension, you won't have any issues. But we have the QA1 lowering kit, which has this bracket really close to the exhaust. So we ended up trimming about 2 inches off the front pipe to move the whole system a little bit further forward. Adjust the system to a place you are happy with while everything is loose. Then you can go ahead and tighten it all down. Install the exhaust tips and adjust them to your preference. You can tighten those down with an 8mm Allen wrench. Because this is stainless steel, we want to wipe down all the fingerprints and oils off so they don't leave any marks in the future. After that, your installation is now complete.